What is HPM? One word, family. I would say family.
I enjoy coming to work because I enjoy the people I work with. So that makes it so much easier when you enjoy your work, and not only the work, but the people that you work with.
The last 18 years has been fun. You know, you meet a lot of new people. Customers are great, and the people you work with, your fellow associates, everyone's like family. You know the kids, their wives, everybody. It's a nice place to be.
They say if you work with people you like, the job gets easier, and this is what it is, basically. You work with good people, you do good work.
I think we enjoyed their family style atmosphere, and it's real similar to how we run our business as well. We are a family owned company, so we think it fits really well with us.
As the community grows, we see new faces every day. So that is really quite an indication of our growth, and that really keeps us moving and flowing in the right direction.
I think we're always involved in the community, and again, that starts from the very top. Bobby, very, very connected to the community. Mike, the same thing. Now Jason and Adam, we're always there to provide any kind of support that we can.
They're around for 100 years, so that says a lot. I've seen a lot of lumber businesses come and go, and they've always been here. Even though the onslaught of the big boxes coming in, they've been able to survive that. And that's through their service, personal attention, and their support.
I'd like to see their continued success, and also what I'd like to see is them continue to grow our community and grow in our community, integrating our community members and really making sure that generationally we are continuing to offer the best life that we can have here on Hawaii Island.